What's up everyone? Welcome back to another Coral Care Quick Tip. In this episode we have a very special guest joining us. His name is Levi Peterson. You may know him as the Oddball Reefer over on Instagram. So let's take a look and see what Levi has for us today.
Hey guys, Levi Peterson here from the Oddball Reefer. Today we're going to be doing some coral quick tips. We're going to try to keep it real short, but we're going to be talking about coral placement. Personally, I think coral placement is one of the most important things on keeping a reef tank, or for keeping a reef tank. With my stuff that I'm keeping, like a lot of these gourds and stuff, it's relatively easy to kind of place them because you can kind of judge by the shape of the gourd and where it was growing. And a lot of this stuff I personally collected myself, so I know exactly where it was collected and how I should place it in the reef tank. A lot of you guys can do that as well. Like when you're buying a new coral, even if it's a frag, like a large frag, or even a colony, you can kind of judge on the way it's growing on where you can place it. Like these gourds right here, I got a few gourds, like some of them are standing straight up, and these ones were collected from a hard bottom reef, just on the limestone sticking straight up. There's a couple other ones over here on this rock, this large rock over here, that were obviously on a larger stone that was sticking up from the limestone, and they kind of have an angled out and up, sorry. So you kind of try to judge on where I should place them on the rock, so it kind of mimicked where they were in the wild. So like I said, you can do that a lot with all your corals that you're receiving, like even elegance corals, acros, just the way they're growing. I always try to mimic that in my aquarium the best that I can.
Thank you so much, Levi, for that awesome quick tip. And it's a good reminder that we should be looking towards nature and trying to mimic that in our reef tanks, especially when it comes to placing corals in our reef tank. Finding out how they grow out in the wild and then placing them in our tank. It's an awesome quick tip. Be sure to check out Levi on Instagram as the Oddball Reefer, and make sure you are subscribed to his YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much to Levi Peterson for joining us here on the Coral Care Quick Tip. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like what you see, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to the Coral Reef Talk, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.